DIY versus hiring a pro. And today we're talking about tiling the shower and what to consider. And so tiling your shower, you're gonna save thousands of dollars, right? And so tiling your shower, it's not an inexpensive process. It's definitely an investment in your home. But then ultimately, you get the satisfaction of tiling your shower, right? I accomplished it. I created a beautiful shower myself, and you get the satisfaction. But quite frankly, that's where the buck stops at, because tiling your shower incorrectly, it can cost you double or even triple, because what can happen is if you don't use the right backer board, tile backer board, you don't waterproof your shower correctly, you're gonna end up with leaks and then ultimately end up with mold. And again, costing you more money than if you would have just hired a pro the first time. And so if you're thinking about tiling your shower, 3 things I want you to consider is, do you have the skill set? Do you have the right tools? And number 3, do you have the patience? Because tiling a shower is a tedious process. And so starting off with number 1, do you have the skill set? Laying out a shower correctly with the right spacing, it takes some time to do. And so also understanding how to use spacers, understanding the right tools to use, using the right materials, it's all an important process. People tiling showers, that's a whole profession. And to say that, hey, you're gonna tile a shower and it's gonna come out perfect the first time will be a tremendous overstatement. And so I don't wanna set you up for failure. That's one of those things to think about. Number 2, do you have a wet saw? Do you know how to use a wet saw? Do you know how to use spacers? Do you know how to use levelers? Those are all questions to kind of consider. Those are really all separate videos that I need to do as well. So if you don't know what those are, go look those up right now. If you're thinking about tiling a shower, how to use a wet saw, how to use spacers, how to use tile levelers, what's mortar, what's grout. Those are all the basics you need to understand. And so, and number 3, patience. Patience is a very big thing. This shower here took us about a week, and we're pros at this. Tiling your own shower, you can expect up to 2 to 4 weeks on tiling your shower. Do you have that much time on your hands? And that's if you can understand all those different parts again that I kind of talked about earlier. So you need to have the patience, and also make sure you got some extra towel on hands, because you're going to make some bad cuts. And so if you're in the Indianapolis area and you don't want to deal with making bad cuts, burning through tile unnecessarily, making sure that you get the waterproofing correctly, reach out to us right now. Go to our website right now at www.cliffsconstruction.com. Go to the Get a Quote form, get that form filled out, and we'll be in touch with you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.